If you want to set a custom message tone on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we're gonna go to the settings. Over here in the settings, scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration. And after that you should be able to scroll down again in order to find notification sound. And of course over here we can choose the message tone. I mean the notification sound includes the message tone, the notification sound when you receive a message. So over here, if you want to add a custom sound, we need to press add new sounds. In the top left corner, you might want to tap on these three lines over here in order to switch from recent, which is set up by default. Most of the time you won't be able to find anything here, so you want to switch from recent to, let's say, audio or downloads or the phone storage or even the Google Drive if you have a custom sound on your Google Drive. And in my case, I'm gonna choose audio. I'm gonna go to the folder over here to download in order to find my custom message tone. So I'm gonna select it. Then I need to select it on this list over here, and then I can press save in the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!